Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today we're going to be dehydrating some lemons and limes. I got them at Sam's Club, a really good price, and I'm like, I need to dehydrate some. Alright, let me bring in a little closer and show you how let's get the limes on first. I'm using my Excalibur to dehydrate. I got my trays all set up over here ready to go. I'm just gonna cut them up and put them. Two extra trays. What I did was I took my bananas. I had a whole bunch of bananas, and I peeled them. I put 3 bananas in a bag, and then I'm going to freeze them, and then I just put the peels on there to dehydrate, and then I'll grind those and put them in with my plants. 3 bananas. It takes 3 bananas to make a recipe. So for banana bread, so I just push them in like so. Break them up like so, and just kind of keep doing that, and then get the air out, squish it down, and there we go. All right, so now we're going to start the dehydrator. It's going on the vegetable setting, and we'll probably be back in about 12 to 14 hours. So I'm going through checking. The banana peels are all nice and dry. I'm gonna put those in a baggie and just crunch them up. And I'm kind of like, but when they're sticky, tacky, they're not done. Because you want it to be completely dry. And if there's a little stick in there, I can't even bend that one. But they're close. Look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna go through and flip them and check them out. All right. Back in it goes. All right, they're all nice and dehydrated, sealed in airtight jars. I used my food saver with the attachment to do that. I am so excited. That's both bags fit in the half-gallon jars. All right, everyone. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.